Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be going to the laundromat and letting my power box charge. So I've already started my water. I'm going to be boiling my noodles. So these are things that I do while I'm letting my power box charge up. So I haven't had ramen noodles in probably since I was in high school. So I'm just reading the instructions and I'm going to find out later that I was not supposed to pull the lid all the way off. I do not know what I'm doing, but I do know how to read. So I'm pulling out all the little packets and, stuff that they got in the cup. I'm adding my freeze dried vegetables like peas and carrots. That's the seasoning packet and I'm smelling it just to see what it smells like. And I'm not going to use the whole packet because back in the day, that seasoning packet would give me a severe headache. So I'm putting the lid back on and letting that steam finish doing its magic. Oh my God, it looks so good. It looks so good. Yep, I'm smelling the oil. This is the little oil that come with it, and that oil has some other little seasonings in it. I got my little plasticware, and you're gonna see me start cutting the noodles because I cannot stand long noodles. That's why I stopped eating spaghetti, really, because the noodles are too long and it'd be sloshing and splashing everywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting 2 slices of cheese in it like I used to do back in high school because I like my broth to be kind of creamy. There's the second pack right there, and it's so good. Y'all need to try it. So right here, I'm just gonna stir everything up. I think it's super cool how you just pour the hot water, the boiling water in the cup to the line and let it sit, and then it just do the rest. It cook your noodles. So me cutting it did something, but it didn't do it like I like it. But it's okay. I'm finna eat them. Hopefully I don't slosh it everywhere. This is me adding some more seasoning packet because I do want that chicken flavor. So I do a little bit at a time. I'm so happy about these noodles. This may make me start eating them again. This water, I do have my water, as I try to do with every meal. So y'all, I just wanted to pop on here and do this video. Don't judge me. That is a roll of toilet paper that I'm using as my napkins, but that's the roll that I keep in the car. So y'all have a good day.